Hello, everybody. This is Edgar Eddie Fernandez, your safety coach 4.0, the founder of this Safety Limited and the creator of the Experiential Knowledge Solutions. Something that I want to talk to you today and share this tip actually is to how to take JSA's job safety analysis to the next level. How we can make job safety analysis agile now in the agile organizations that they are this concept and this is taking more and more and more it's being accepted more and more. In my last video I talked that it's not easy, but I think companies are going in that way, industries as well. But let's start with the JSAs. One of the 18 practices for any organizational agility is to actionable strategic guidance. And actually, they said, I have it in front of my computer. On this practice, actually, they say this is daily work is guided by concrete outcomes that advance in the organization's strategy. So normally, and one of the things, this is my experience that I'm sharing with you. Obviously, you can agree or you can disagree, but put your comments and start making these, changing these ideas to make the industry safest and reduce the incidents. At the end, is my goal is to reduce the recordable incident rate, help companies to reduce the recordable incident rate below 0.5. And JSA is actually something that we need to take to the next level. Normally, we ask our workers to conduct an JSAs before having a new task or having or in a daily basis before starting your job, the job, etc. And there is something actually that we need to take we need to take it to the next step. And JSAs we see JSAs as a tool to analyze possible near misses scenarios that in the future could become or might become an injury or an incident. Is a really excellent tool to do that. One of the things that we do currently, or I think in my experience when I was working in the different industries, it's we put a number. I remember those KPIs. How many JSAs you have conducted per day? How many JSAs the workers have done today? And it's something that has become routinary, automatic, and very bored. This is the truth. However, if we use the JSAs as to analyze scenarios as a near misses to potentially prevent these injuries, is going to be a really good tool. So it's when it says daily work is guided by concrete outcomes that advance to the organization strategy. What is going to be the strategy to reduce a recordable incident rate? We consider that is aggressive below 0.5, excuse me. Well, let's say it's 1.0. Is achievable? Absolutely. How we can use the daily work is guided by concrete outcomes, JSAs, but don't put it on a format and then the workers do it and then put it on the file cabinet and put it and then register a number as a KPI and then you demonstrate to your client or the organizations and peoples are making a lot of JSAs, but really we are not analyzing or we are not studying those JSAs. That is data that is being provided to reduce incidents. So we can actually use those ones to start discovering little by little near miss scenarios. So I would say, what you do prefer? 20 JSAs during the week, but quality is poor, or you can do 2 JSAs or 1 JSA. It's a near miss and a scenario per week, but good quality, really a good quality, deep analysis, deep thinking, right? And little by little, you're gonna discover how your incident rate is gonna be decreasing little by little. And that, I think, is something that we have today, because always we, as my last video, I said, uh, companies right now, they are thinking about what they don't have, but you have a tool that only you need to take it to the next level. So leaders and peers provide frequent feedback. What the JSAs do right now is doing that. It's not new. But if you take it to the next level, to as a near miss analysis, the feedback is going to increase way more. The quality of that feedback is going to increase substantially, right? And coaching that enables people to work autonomously toward their team outcomes. So now JSA is not done by one person; it's doing by a team. Supposed to do, but supposed to be. You shouldn't do a JSA by yourself. You should do a JSA with a team, right? And we encourage not the number, if not the outcome of that JSA, that is going to allow your workers and employees to work autonomously toward the team outcomes. They're going to start analyzing those potential um, outcomes and near misses and scenarios they have on their workstation or their environment, that is going to help you to reduce your injuries and your incidents as well. So you're going to increase hazard and risk identification as well. I give you a tip right now. It's on an idea that I was when I was reading one of these 18 practices on any agile organization, is something that we have right now, JSAs, and if you don't have it, call it in this way: near miss scenarios analysis. At the end, when you're gonna do a project, or when you're gonna improve your station, or when you're gonna start you want to do a capital project, right? Now you're gonna start you want to improve your production, the performance, etc., and then needs to go to a capital investment. I think these scenarios, these JSAs, now taking to a near miss analysis, is something that is going to give you a very well informed and very well with a good base of data that at the end you can use to actually ask for the money and make the project successful and safer. And you're going to reduce incidents, you're going to increase production, you're going to reduce waste, you're going to improve your flow your supply chain flow on the floor. You're gonna do many things. So keep that in mind, and hopefully this idea helps you. Thank you very much. Have an excellent day, and see you the next time. Bye.